Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my god, it worked. It worked. It worked. If you believe on it, it works. Yes. Why am I so excited right now? Because just on Friday, I had 31 views only. Oh my god. And today, this morning, November 4th, I'm already with 10,000 impressions. Yes! My video was on the homepage for the whole weekend. Yes! YouTube's homepage. Yes, I made it. Hey, you're a non-believer, you're a naysayer. Don't listen to these people. Get them out of your life. Don't pay attention to them. It's not about what they think. It's about who you are. That's what's gonna make the whole difference. People are gonna put you down. People are gonna be hating on you. Just like the story that we seen with Dog Dash. But if you keep on pushing, keep on pushing, keep on pushing, forget it. This actually works. The algorithm will reward you. The audience will reward you. And in any case, I read this book. It's a book from, not sure if you can see it right here, from Amy Porterfield. And it's called 2 Weeks Notice. 2 Weeks Notice. This book, hey, I get no referral for this. I don't have any link on the Amazon links or anything like that. Go get it. Go get it. Especially if you're a female, if you're a woman, you should get this. It's a very intriguing story of this lady. Her name is Amy Porterfield, and she finally found the courage to quit her job and make more money, work from wherever she want, and change the world. So I read the whole book. Actually, I'm at the end of it. I still did not finish it. I probably am at page 160 something. Anyways, the book has in total about 270 pages. But very interesting, the story that she says. One of the things that she said, at one point, she was trying to please everyone. She was trying to say yes to everybody. Oh, and I don't want to hurt this one, and I don't want to hurt that one, and now I gotta pay attention to this one, and why my audience is saying this, and why this hater is saying that. Sorry, my glasses was right here, and I was looking for them. So she was thinking about that, and all of a sudden, she spoke to one of her mentors, and the mentor said, stop that right away. Stop trying to please everyone. Your audience is big, 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 like this, wide, very wide. But you gotta focus on the fans. You gotta focus on your circle right here. Circle in the middle. Forget the noise. Forget everything that is around. You won't please everyone. Nobody can actually make that everybody likes them. No, you're gonna have haters. You're gonna please to this guy, and this guy is not gonna like you. You're probably gonna be very friendly with this girl, and that one over there, you won't be able to cross 2 words. That's how life is. It's normal. Why you think that the whole country is divided? One half of the country goes with her, and the other half goes with him, because they resonate with different personalities. They like something from her, and these ones, they like something from him. So life is like that. So you, as a small YouTuber creator, you gotta find your niche. And I know that it sounds cliche, and I know you're repeating the same thing that the others. No, I'm a living proof. I prove to myself, and I prove to whoever is watching, that the way you find your niche, I'm gonna do a very detailed video on it, because I found it, and I'm still, by the way, working on it. But the way you find your niche is by throwing content. Throw content. Talk about different subjects. The whole science of it, you have 3 or 4 circles. I'm gonna explain that in another video. I don't want this video to be very long, but the essence of this is, the big circle is what you want and you like. So talk about things you like, you want. Then the smaller circle, what other people want, things that maybe you're not interested. Then you have the circle, the trending circle, which is what's trending. And sometimes as a small YouTuber, as small channel, you have no choice. You're gonna have to do a combination of all 3. And at the end, what's gonna happen is you're gonna be finding your niche, and you're gonna like, hey, I did a video about this, I didn't like it, I don't think I'm gonna continue doing that. But oh, I spoke about that, I'm passionate about this. I started talking about this, about flowers, gardening, whatever the hell you're, you know, I like repairing cars, and I like it. I went and I did a video, I put a camera and started fixing my car, and I enjoyed it. I had like 1 hour, because it's the passion that you have, it's your enjoyment. But at the same time, maybe you enjoy something that nobody wants, nobody cares about. That's also possible. So you have to find a balance in between what you like, what you enjoy, what other people enjoy, and also what's trending. Because trending is what's happening right now. We are in the era of the TikTok, the shorts. Our span is probably 90% of you already left. You're gone doing other things, and it's normal, because I understand. I'm in the same boat as you guys. Sometimes I want to see a very good video, and he has a lot of meat in the bone. I want to see it, but then I got called by somebody or by something. I have distraction. Therefore, talking about distraction, you must watch my video. My thumbnail is disappear. If you see my thumbnail on my videos, disappear. I'm gonna hook it up here so you can see it. It's a motivational video. It has all the ingredients you need for you to succeed. Get that video, put it, start listening to it, and you're gonna see it's powerful. Whenever you're down, whenever you're unmotivated, start listening to that video, because it's gonna give you the motivation you want and you deserve. But I'm telling you, this is true. It's working. 0. I started my channel 0. October 14th. This is when I started. I had some struggles in the way. You're gonna be hit by walls, by struggles, by hurdles. Now, how you gonna react when that happens? How is she reacting right now? Dog Dash. Everybody's talking about her, but you know what? It's a good thing. It's the technique Andrew Tate used. Kevin O'Leary, if you know those guys, they used that. Trump, he used that technique. You gotta be controversial. You gotta do stuff. You gotta make the internet talk about you, because if you're relevant, people are gonna talk about you. If you're too silent, if you're too by the book, I'm telling you, nobody's gonna wanna listen to you. Nobody's gonna want to pay attention to your message. So it's important that you be yourself, but at the same time you be bold, you be controversial, and you follow the trends. And if you need a trend in order to get your boost that you need on your channel, well, use them, because at the beginning you're gonna have to use a lot of those trends. Eventually what's gonna happen is that people will recognize you, and then you're gonna talk about something. Oh, okay, now you earn trust, now you earn authenticity, and then people, they're gonna tune in order to listen to you. So, by the way, I just throw out my first podcast with a very special guest. Don't miss it. Alright, so that's gonna be my next video. Until now, I'm out, and stay blessed.